Good afternoon, all. Uh, in today's lecture of DBMS, we move further towards the Huffman coding. This is the subpart of from topic information theory. Up to this, we look what is the information in detail in information, source coding, and all. Now, first is Huffman coding. Huffman coding is famous greedy algorithm. It is used for the lossless compression of data. It uses variable length encoding. Okay, here is not length is not fixed. Here is the variable length encoding. It assigns variable length code to all the characters. The code length of the character depends on how frequently it occurs in the given text. The character which occurs most frequently get the smaller code. Clear? The character which occurs least frequently get the largest code. It is known as Huffman encoding. Prefix rules are there. First one is Huffman coding implements a rule known as prefix rule. It is to prevent the ambiguities while decoding. It ensures that the code assigned to any character is not a fixed prefix of the code assigned to any other character. Major step in Huffman coding. There are two major steps in Huffman coding. Building a Huffman tree from the input character, and second one is assigning code to the characters by transversing the Huffman code tree. Human Huffman tree. The steps involved in the construction of Huffman tree are as follows. Step number 1. Create a leaf node for each character of the text. Step 1. Create a leaf node for each character of the text. Leaf node of a character contains a occurring frequency of that character. Create a leaf node for each character of the next text. Clear? Leaf node of a character contains occurring frequency of that character. Second is arrange all the nodes in increasing order of their frequency value. In second step we have to arrange all the nodes in increasing order. Okay. Step number 3. Considering the first two nodes having minimum frequencies, create a new internal node. The frequency of this new node is the sum of frequency of those two nodes. Make the first node as a left child and the other node as a right child of the newly created node. For these, keep repeating step 2 and step 3 until all the nodes form a single tree. The tree finally obtained is the desired Huffman tree. Time complexity. The time complexity analysis of Huffman code is as follows. Extract minimum bracket is called 2 into n minus 1 times if there are n nodes. As extract minimum, call minimum hippify. It takes 0 log on time. Thus, overall time complexity of Huffman coding becomes n log O of n log n. Here n is the number of unique characters in the given text. Important formulas. The following two formulas are important to solve the problem based on Huffman coding. Formula number 1. Average code length per character is equals to summation of frequency I into code length I upon summation of frequency I is equals to summation of probability I into code length I. Formula second, total number of bits in Huffman coding messages, total number of characters in the message x average code length per character. is equals to, second formula is summation of frequency I into code length. Clear? I. Practice problem based on Huffman coding. Before move towards the problem, I discuss Huffman coding with you. In this Huffman coding, we there are steps are there, 1 2 3 and 4. First, we have to major steps are two only. First, we have to building a tree by using steps, okay, for input characters. Then assign code to the characters by transversing the Huffman tree. Clear? There is two formulas. First one is average code length per character is equals to summation of probability I into code length I, and second one is summation of frequency, the total number of bits in human encoded message calculated by using the formula summation of frequency I into code length I. Clear? The problem is a file contains the following characters with the frequencies as shown. If Huffman coding is used for data compression, determine first Huffman code for each character, average code length and length of Huffman coded message. Okay, there is different characters E, characters A, E, I, O, U, S, T. Clear? There are 7 characters is there and their frequencies is there respectively. For character A, frequency is 10. For character E, frequency is 15. For character I, frequency is 12. For character O, frequency is 3. For character U, frequency is 4. For character S, frequency is 13. For character T, frequency is 1. Okay. Solution. First, let us construct the Huffman tree. Huffman tree is constructed in following steps. First, we have to construct a tree. Clear? Step 1. In T, in step 1, we have to arrange all the characters in increasing form, that is in ascending order. 1 is less than 3, 3 is less than 4, 4 is less than 10, 10 is less than 12, 12 is less than 13 and 13 is less than 15. Clear? First is in increasing order, then increasing order of frequency 1. So here less frequency is 1 and its character is T, then it is in first term T1. Clear? 1 bigger than 1 is 3, then 3 character O, bigger than 3 there is a 4, 4 character U, after 4 there is directly 10, 10 for A, after that 12, 12 is I, and 13, 13 is S, and last and biggest frequency is 15, that is E. Okay, now second step is there. What is second step? Read it again. First step we have completed. Clear? Then second, arrange all the node. Clear? First, second is done. Then third, consider the first two nodes having minimum frequency. Clear? Minimum frequencies. Create a new internal node. Consider as a first two minimum frequencies. Clear? First two frequency as a primary node. Here is first two less frequency is 1 and 3 for primary node for 4. Clear? After that, what is there? What we have to do? Read again. The we create new internal node, right? And then after that, the frequency of this new node is the sum of frequency of those two nodes. Clear? Frequency of a new node which we have created is the sum of the frequency of those two nodes. Clear? We have to we, we have to get sum of that node. Clear? 3 plus 1 4 is there, 4 plus 4 8 is there. Clear? Everybody? After that, next step is make the first node as a left child and the other node as a right child of a newly created node. Clear? Then do it. We get summation, and after that first node 10 plus 8 18 is there, plus clear 18. Then we want summation, then 10 plus 8, right? 8. देखो, left node and right node, left child and right child is there. Same for again. Observe the step number 5 is there. Same step number 2 and 3 we have to continue till we do not get the final one, right? Then do again 18, 8 plus 10 4.4, right? Then here is what? E is equals to 5 15 is there, right? Then what happen? Look towards all the nodes, what happening there with by studying or reading these steps, huh? And after that 4 we completed step 3. Then step 4 is keep repeating 2 and 3 until the node from the single tree finally obtained is desired human tree, right? We have to repeat same thing there. Observe this. Up to this step number 4 all are getting, right? Remaining nodes are 12 13 and 15 is there. I write as a again is here, and it's converted back is 15 is there now. Then 15 here is 18 is same as above, 15 is new node, and here is a 25. How 25? Calculate. 13 plus 12 is 25. Clear? After that step number 6. Who is remaining only now? 15 is there. 25 and 15. 18 plus 15 is 33 is there, right? Then now 33 is a main node, then 18 is a right child, 15 is a left child. Clear? Then after 18, 10 plus 8, 4 plus 4 8, 3 plus 1 4, means every left child plus right child, summation of left child and right child must be a value of node is there. Clear? Then 25 and 33 is there now. Yes, then add 25 plus 33, there is a 58 is there. In 58, 25 plus 33 is 58. Look at this, main node is 58, right child is 33, left is 25. 25 plus 33, 58, that is satisfied condition. Then 25, there is a 12 plus 13, and 33 is 15, 18. For 18, 10 plus 8. All nodes are used, all characters are used from lower frequency to higher frequency. No one is remaining. Clear? Here our Huffman tree is formed. This is the final Huffman tree. Clear? One by one we have to take different characters with their frequency and must know main node value is the summation of left child plus right child. This is the basic requirement. Everybody getting how we have to form the Huffman tree? Good. Now we assign weight to all the edges of the constructed Huffman tree. Let us assign weight 0 to the left edge and weight 1 to the right edge. We have to assign now weight to the edges which are present in left edge. We assign weight as a 0. Clear? And which edge available or assign 1 to the right edge. Clear? Rules for that. If you assign weight 0 to the left edge and assign weight 1 to the right edge, you if you assign weight 1 to the left edge and assign weight 0 to the right edge, if you cross it, any of the above two convention may be followed, but follow the same convention at the time of decoding that is adopted at the time of encoding. It's not fixed, or it's not compulsory to assign 0 for left and 1 for right edge. You can assign vice versa also, but assign same weight while decoding and encoding. Both the techniques assign same weight. After assigning weight to all edges, the modified human tree, as I tell you, you have to assign the number, right? Here I assign for left edge 1. No, 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 not 1. It's my right, your left is there, na? Then I assign for left edge 0 and right edge 1. Clear? For left is 0, right 1. देखो 58 is main node, then its right side is 25, right side is 33, then assign 1. You take your side, it's my side 58, there is in right side there is a 33, I assign 1 weight, and in left side there is a 25, I assign 0. In 25 there is, in right side there is a 13, I assign 1. In left side there is a 0. Clear? Like that.